Hi guys, as usual, thanks a lot for watching our video again, and today we're going to give you a preview of the prototypes that we just manufactured for our DMC Ferrari F8 Tributo kit. You can see here the prototypes already installed on the car to give you a first impression what they're gonna look like. The final parts will be made from carbon fiber. We have decided for prototype we usually go for a material like ABS. In the past we have chosen a yellow ABS, but we thought for a preview like this it would be quite nice to have the ABS made in black color, which will give you an easier way to imagine what the carbon fiber parts will look like later. As for the fitment, the parts look like really nicely thanks to that we have developed them by 3D design. More about that later in the video. So you've seen the wing spoiler here on the left, and on the right side in the small video you're seeing the grill inserts that we've done. Overall, really a very nice aggressive design that still doesn't break with the original lines. All these parts really look like as if they would come from the Italian factory by Ferrari. Here are some still shots that also give you a nice idea of the parts. There will be some additional parts coming as well, like a front hood insert and some side skirts, possibly a rear diffuser as well. But these are the parts that we're going to start with, the wing and the grille inserts. Look out for other parts. You can message us about some updates. Now, as I have mentioned earlier on in the video, all these parts we have developed thanks to a 3D scan. So let me give you a brief look here at what we've done. This is the 3D scan. Well, the 3D scan after it's in the computer. You can basically see the whole car's shape is in the computer. So just now you saw the rear, and here you see the front. Basically a regular Ferrari F8 Coupe. Based on the surfaces that you just saw that we captured, we then began drawing the parts so that the parts will exactly fit onto the original car as well. Here's the rear wing spoiler. That one actually underwent a couple of design reiterations. The first one was too long, the second one was too thick. So usually we go through at least 10 to 12 different design alterations before we're happy with the final design. And I hope you agree as well, this one really looks really nice on the Ferrari F8. Here's the one of the front grille inserts. There's basically two, so you can have one for the left grille and one for the right grille, and they really fit very smoothly into the front bumper. There's no need to do any drilling. We're very happy about it. Again, thanks to the 3D technology, it has an accuracy of 0.4 millimeters. It's the most perfect design that you can achieve. If there's any questions from your side, please let us know down below in the comments. Let me say thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time with more DMC content. Until then, DMC Live.